Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to prevent users from installing software in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click Windows Installer. Open Allow User Control over Installs. Check Disabled. Click Apply, OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.